Want to add a voiceover directly inside of Final Cut Pro? In this 2-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Fast, easy, and beginner friendly. You want to make sure that your microphone is connected to your computer and it is working. So I'm going to go to the Apple here, then I'm going to go to System Settings. So Apple System Settings, and then once your System Settings comes up, you're going to click on Sound, and then I don't change any of these settings. The only thing that I change is output and input. So for my input would be the microphone, and I am currently using the Yeti stereo microphone. So I would select this, and then your output, I would select my headphones because I want to hear the audio coming through my headphones. So I'm going to leave my settings as is, but you will want to select the settings that are right for you. Okay, so here we are on Final Cut Pro. So your first step is that you want to open your project or you want to start a new project. You want to make sure that your timeline is completely ready. I would like my voiceover to land or start at the beginning of my clip, so probably around here. Your second step is we want to now go up to the menu. We're going to click on Windows, and then we're going to click on Record Voiceover. So a shortcut for record voiceover is Option Command 8. So you can always do that as well. But we're going to click on Record Voiceover, which will give us this window. This opens the voiceover recording panel. You're going to select your microphone inputs here. Specifically, your microphone input would be right here. I have the Yeti stereo microphone selected, but let's start at the top. So this red button is a record button. So when you're ready to record, you're going to press start recording. Also, these are your levels. So you are able, when you're talking and you're recording your voiceover, this is where you'll be able to check your levels. If you get really close to the mic, your levels will rise. And when you're far away from the mic, your levels will decrease. And then this is your input gain. Here is where you can name your project. This is where you will select your microphone. Like I said, I selected the Yeti stereo microphone. This is your event. This is where your project lives. Once you're ready to record your voiceover, you're going to hit the red record button, and then you're going to start speaking. And then Final Cut will automatically place your audio on the timeline as you talk. So let's record a voiceover. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about cozy hobbies, and one of my favorite cozy hobbies is scrapbooking. I bought all of my materials from a local craft store. Once it's recorded, you can trim your voiceover, you can move your voiceover, and you can enhance your voiceover. And that's it. Your voiceover is now part of your project. It's clean, it's simple, and it's done in minutes. So if this helped, please like and follow for more Final Cut Pro quick tips.